Hello everybody, welcome to TechRed TV. I am your host Ali Rathor. In today's tutorial, we'll be teaching you how to make a neon design. You can manipulate different images with it and show off your work to your friends and family. This can stylize your image or your portrait. So stay tuned. Welcome back guys. To start off with our tutorial, we've just downloaded these 3 images for our models. They are royalty-free images from pixabay.com, so anybody who wants free images, royalty-free images for personal or commercial use, you can download it from there. So our 3 models for here are of different styles. So this is just standing in a bit of a nature's view. The second one is a model that's showing a bit of energy, so we'll be doing a different neon design on this one. And the third one gives you an essence of maybe a song or a cover, or we'll go with the love theme on this one. So start off with, we're just going to open our Adobe Photoshop. We are using CS6, and we'll be going back to our first image, dragging and dropping it back. Now you can add an image to your project, or you can just directly open this image up. So to start off with, we're just going to change the color of the design, because I'm going to go for a purplish look. You can select any color you want. This is just my understanding of what we need to do. To begin with, we'll show you 3 different ways to use your neon design. The first one, I'm going to use the shape tool here at the bottom. I'm going to choose ellipse tool. With fill would be disabled. Stroke, I'm going to put white color inside the stroke, and I'm going to take 10 pixel as radius of the line. It's up to you. You can do a straight line or dotted line. So for this one, we might do dotted line, or we go for the straight line. You can check with the dotted line. Now I'm just going to click and drag it, pressing space to move it. I'm pressing shift because I'm looking for a perfect circle. Now what we'll do is we'll make, at the end when we'll put the neon on it, we'll make it that it goes behind her head and in front of her legs. So once you've done that, you'll see the ellipse tool here. It's an object. Right click it, go to blending options, or the other way is you can select your layer and go at the bottom for effects and select the effect outer glow. For me, I'm used to doing right click and going to blending options. Now what we'll do is we'll select outer glow and we'll pick up the color that we selected. I'm going to increase the spread to 10 and the size to maybe 20 or 25. It's up to you what glow you're looking for. We can do 50 if you're looking for a big glow, so we'll do 50 for now. The next thing is you go to inner glow, select the same color, opacity to maybe 60, chalk size you can do 10, 20, and for screen size you can select different sections. So if you're going to go with pin light, you can see it becomes a bit pinkish, white pinkish. We'll go with pink light for now and press OK. Once you're done, you have your neon design, neon effect on your object, but it doesn't look good because it's covering her head. So to give that effect that it's going behind her head, what we're going to do is going to the bottom and add a layer mask. You need to make sure that the layer mask is selected and a black color is selected from here. I'm going to go pick up a brush tool with a bigger diameter. I'm going to zoom in, select the brush tool. Now we're going to do is start removing the neon light. Gonna zoom out, fit the screen, and select outside. Let me zoom out a bit again so that you guys can see it. And that's how you've completed a neon design. So it looks like it's going behind her and coming in front of her. So that's the first approach that you can do. And we've made use of the circle object from here. Now I'm gonna go and open up the second image. For this one, what we'll do is we're gonna use the pen tool. Now select the pen tool, stroke, and we've got the shape here, same thing, fill stroke, and we've got the 10 pixels. Now for color, you can choose anything, but for me I might go with a bit of orange. Now what we're going to do is zoom out a bit. For my design, you can do anything. What we can do is bring in maybe a diagonal or straight, a laser like a music, and we can do it. So what I'm going to do is simply clicking and that's about it. So what we've done is, this is like a neon light coming in. You can feel the energy of the model. Again, repeating the same steps. What we're going to do is right click on the shape, go to blending options, outer glow, check the color, spread. I'm going to do 25 maybe. Yeah, that's fine. Going to inner glow, 60 for opacity. You can play around with the settings. What about 50? 25. And we'll do the pen light on this one and press OK. So that's your basically orange neon effect. We're keeping the white shade in between it. To filter it out, we're going to add a layer mask, and then gonna zoom out. Now, it's up to you. For me, I think we'll do this one going behind her and this one coming in front of her, and this one going behind her. So it's up to you. This is totally your prerogative. What you want to do. Select the tool. This is tricky now. Okay, so be careful. That's fine. For tutorial, we can go with this one. If you're doing it for a client, you need to fix that one. So this one. This goes above. Okay, this goes behind her, this comes in front, coming back, we're going to do this one. So this goes behind her. This tutorial is basically made for people who are just starting out, or if you're keen on learning, you can just use this on any Photoshop. Screen. There you go. So it gives you that feeling that the energy is coming in. It goes behind her, comes in front of her, goes behind her again, and that completes our second section. Now I'm going to go and open up the third one. If you have different shapes, or if you get maybe an image from Google, you're going to go with the heart theme from with her. Red. Yeah. So what we'll do is we're going to go to the bottom of the shapes. We're going to get custom shape tool, and I've selected a heart. You can have an idea or a heart one. I'm just going to go with the heart one. And what we'll do is we'll make it proportional, and for the theme we'll make it so it looks like this. That's fine. Same steps, right click on the shape. We're going to use outer glow. Select the color, right? We're going to do spread maybe 15 this time and 30. And going to go with inner glow. Picking same color. And doing it with 10 and then 25. Doing with 25. Okay, I'm gonna do is now add the layer mask. Cleaning it up. So what we're doing is that this is coming behind it. Next thing is we're going to do is clean this up. So we're going to show an effect that it goes behind it and then comes next to it. Oops. Control Z. Zooming it out, filling the screen, and we're done. So it goes behind her head, behind the guitar, and comes in front. So you can see how you can manipulate the neon effect by using either a shape, a circle or square, or a custom shape, or you can use the pen tool, or you can use a vector image that has outline in it. So this gives you an effect of a neon light. I hope you guys have learned about it. To subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so every video we upload you get a notification. Do share your work with us by following our tutorial, and you can give us any questions or suggestions for another tutorial that you are facing a problem with. We'll be putting it on, and do share your work with us. We want to see what you guys have come up with. I hope these 3 things would help you in your creativity and in graphic designing. I am your host, Ali Rathore from TechRec TV. See you guys next time.